In this section, we are going to configure DNS integration with Active Directory domain services in Windows Server 2019. In the third section, we have resolved DNS names between zones, saw DNS caching, created stub zone and DNS forwarding, and configured zone delegation. We have finished 3 sections till now. We have 2 more to go, so you need to listen carefully, because the real experience comes with section 5, which you cannot follow if you have not mastered the first 4 sections. In this video, we are going to see an overview of Active Directory domain services and DNS integration. Integration DNS and Active Directory domain services is essential because all clients and servers use DNS to locate a domain controller, so that the user can sign into a domain and use the Active Directory domain service. Computers locate domain controllers and services by using the following records. Host A resource record. The host A resource record contains the FQDN and IP address for the domain controller. The service resource record contains the FQDN for the domain controller and the name of the service that the domain controller provides. When you install an ADDS domain controller, DNS installs automatically. The integration between ADDS and DNS require you to plan for the design of both DNS and ADDS. The number of placement of DNS servers can influence the Active Directory domain services functionality and performance greatly. After installing ADDS, you can use one of the following methods for storing and replicating your zones when operating the DNS server in the new domain controller. The standard zones storage by using a text-based file, or a directory integrated zone storage by using the Active Directory database. So let's install the domain services needed for the ADDS integrated zones in Windows Server 2019. So switch back to your domain controller. So please check on the DC if you have any forward lookup zones installed. And you can see here you have domain.com and pack.com. So switch back to your server 1 and install the needed services for the integrated zone. On the DNS manager of server 1, we are going to check any zones are installed, and there isn't any. On the reverse lookup zone, and there isn't any. So let's go to our server manager and install the needed services for the integrated zones. Add roles and features. On the Before You Begin page, click Next. On the Select Installation type, click Next. On the Select Destination Server, click Next. On the Select Server Roles, click on the Active Directory Domain Services. On the pop-up window, click Add Features. Click Next. Select Features, click Next. Active Directory, click Next. On the Confirm Installation selection, select the Restart the Destination Server automatically if required. Click on this box and click Yes and click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. When the installation completes, you get to promote this server to a domain controller. Next part, we will see how to promote this server to a domain controller and configure the integrated zone for the Active Directory DNS zones. On installation progress, now click Close.